Welcome to this solution for the Pyraminx puzzle. If you don't have a Pyraminx puzzle, I actually have a link in the video description where you could get one just like this, the exact type that I'm using. I really like it. It's well put together. The movements are really smooth, and I've really enjoyed it. So you can grab one just like this. If you already have one and you're looking for a solution, that is awesome as well. Check out the video and you'll get a fully solved Pyraminx puzzle. Step 1 for solving the Pyraminx puzzle is to turn the tips or the corners here, the peaks, the pointy sections, turn them around so that they match up with the color directly beneath them, or with the piece directly beneath them. So you see here I've got red, green, yellow. This one here I'm going to turn, whoops, wrong way. So I have blue, yellow, and red, and this one I will turn so I have red, blue, and green. Now I've got those pieces in place. What I want to do is figure out now what color the face is going to be. The quickest way I've found to do this is to look at one face and go red, green, blue. This means that there's no yellow. So that means this face can't be yellow, this face can't be yellow, and this face can't be yellow. In other words, that face has to be yellow, the one on this side. So now I'm going to turn kind of the tops of these pyramids here so that I've got yellow, yellow, and yellow. And again, I am only looking at this tiny triangle here and the one underneath it. So this section, and this section. Kind of like those, signs, those hazmat signs or whatever. That's the yellow face. This one here is going to be the blue face because I've got two of the blue sides, so I'm going to twist this. Then I've got blue there. This will be green. This will be red. Now I've got basically this much, this, and this solved for all of the sides. And the only pieces I need to worry about now are this one, and this one. And this one for us is actually already in place. So I'm going to start by solving the yellow face. Let me show you how to solve the yellow face with only 3 turns. First off, I want to find all the yellow pieces. This one here is a yellow and green piece. That means it goes right here. I'm going to actually bring this one from there to there so I can help solve the yellow side. To do that, I'm going to go to the green side and I'm going to turn like this. I know that's the piece I want to move, so I leave that where it is for now. And I'm going to bring this one up to there. I'm going to turn the top around, and then I'm going to bring it back down again. Notice that brought that yellow-green piece right into place, right where I wanted it to. I'm going to turn this back so that I do have my greens lined up. Now I'm going to move on to this piece. This is the yellow-red piece. That is the piece I want to move down to there. So I have to first twist this so that I have my red facing towards me. Then I do those 3 moves I did before. I bring this piece up to there, replace it with that, and then bring it back on home. And I've now solved the entire yellow face. Now what I have left is this upper pyramid part. This upper pyramid part I'm going to solve pretty much the same way. I'm going to pick a side and I'm going to solve that side, and once you get 2 sides solved, all of them end up getting solved. So let's go ahead and pick red. Why not? I want to bring this red piece, red and green, down to being right there. So I'm going to do the same moves I did before. There, there, and back. Look, brought the red piece in. Now I turn this top part back to where I want it to be. Going to bring this piece, red, yellow, down to here. To do that, I bring the red over and I go 1, 2, and 3. There's a red, green, red, yellow, red, blue. Oh my goodness, and the whole thing was solved. You just repeat those same moves and it will solve this Pyraminx puzzle. That one didn't take as many times. Sometimes it takes more, but that's the basic solution. You just keep solving one face and then you move on to the next face. You solve that. Hope you liked the solution for that Pyraminx puzzle. If you did, click the thumbs up and like that video. You can also subscribe to my channel for weekly puzzle videos. Have a wonderful day.